Hello students, welcome to our e-learning classes, Modern English of Punti Nagar, Nevada. Students, today we are going to discuss the important terms related to irrational number. Okay, that is rationalization. Rationalization. What is rationalization? Rationalization. Suppose given a number whose denominator is an irrational number. Given a number, suppose that 2 by root 3. A number whose denominator is an irrational number. Okay. So, the process of converting it into an equivalent expression whose denominator is a rational number. Whose denominator is a rational number by multiplying denominator and numerator or numerator and denominator by a suitable number. Okay, it's called rationalization. Okay, so students, given a number 2 by root 3. Okay, so root 3 is an irrational number. ओके, डिनोमिनेटर में इरेशनल नंबर्स को रेशनल नंबर में कन्वर्ट करने का जो प्रोसेस है कहलाता है रेशनलाइजेशन. ओके, तो इस प्रोसेस में हम एक सुटेबल नंबर से इसके नॉमिनेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे जिससे कि इसका डिनोमिनेटर इरेशनल नंबर से रेशनल नंबर में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है और इसी प्रोसेस को हम लोग कहेंगे क्या? रेशनलाइजेशन. So here students, 2 by root 3, we multiply root 3 with the numerator and denominator also. That is 2 multiply root 3, that is 2 root 3, and root 3 multiply root 3, that is 3. Okay, so the suitable number is root 3. Okay, and that root 3 is the rationalizing factor of this number. Okay, so students, root 3 it means 3 पे power half. Okay, both are same, and root 3 multiply root 3 because root 3 पे power half multiply 3 पे power half, and base is same. In multiplication base is same, then the power from the power, जब बेस सेम होगा तो पावर क्या होता है? ऐड हो जाएगा मल्टीप्लाई में. लॉ ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट 3 पे पावर 1, दैट इज 3. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड रेशनलाइजेशन. इन दिस प्रोसेस वी कन्वर्ट the irrational number denominator of any number is irrational, then we convert irrational to the rational by multiplying a suitable number with the numerator and denominator. Okay, students, our next topic is rationalizing factor. So what is a rationalizing factor? It's the product of two irrational numbers. If the product of two irrational numbers is rational, दो इरेशनल नंबर्स का प्रोडक्ट जो रेशनल नंबर है, ओके, जो रेशनल है, देन each one is called the rationalizing factor of each other, of the other. Each one is called the rationalizing factor of the other. Suppose कि if A and B are integers, दो numbers है A and B that like integers, and X and Y are natural numbers. X and Y are natural numbers. Then we say that कि A plus root B, A plus root under B and A minus root under B are the rationalizing factor of each other, because कि a प्लस रूट बी मल्टीप्लाई a माइनस रूट बी. ओके, फॉर a प्लस बी इंटू a माइनस बी दैट इज a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर. ओके, दैट इज a स्क्वायर माइनस b इज रेशनल. इज रेशनल्स. Okay, so we say that the a plus root b and a minus root b are the rationalizing factor of each other. Here a plus b root under x and a minus b root under x are also rationalizing factor of each other because the product of these two numbers are rational. Okay, and root x plus root y and root x minus root y are also rationalizing factor of each other. Okay, students, the rationalizing factor of 1 by 3 plus root 2. Okay, the rationalizing factor of 1 by 3 plus root 2 is 3 minus root 2. Okay, so students, 1 by 3 plus root 2, we multiply the numerator and denominator is 3 minus root 2 and 3 minus root 2. Okay, so 3 minus root 2 multiply 1, that is 3 minus root 2, and a plus b and a minus b, that is a square minus b square, that is 3 minus root 2 and 3 3 is 9 minus 2. Okay, so 3 minus root 2 by 7. This is a rational number. Denominator is the rational. So we say that q1 by 3 plus root 2, the rationalizing factor of 1 by 3 plus root 2 is 3 minus root 2. Okay, students, our next question is rationalize the denominator of 1 by 8 plus 5 root 1 by 8 plus 5 root 2. So we have 1 by 8 plus 5 root 2. The rationalizing factor of this number is 8 minus 5 root 2. Okay, so we multiply 8 minus 5 root 2 and 8 minus 5 root 2. So students, 8 minus 5 root 2 multiply 1, that is 8 minus 5 root 2, and here a plus b and a minus b, that is a square minus 5 root 2 का whole square b square. So 8 minus 5 root 2 is divided by 8 8 is 54 minus 5 5 50. So 8 minus 5 root 2 divided by 40. Okay. Students, our next question is rationalize the denominator of 6 minus 4 root 3 by 6 plus 4 root 3. So let's start solution. Students, 6 minus 4 root 3 by 6 plus 4 root 3, we multiply 6 minus 4 root 3 minus 6 minus 4 root 3. Okay, so students, here 6 minus 4 root 3 का whole square divided by a plus b into a minus b, that is 6 का square minus 4 root 3 का whole square. So students, a minus b का whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2a b divided by 36 minus 48. 6 का square, that is 36, 48 root 3 divided by minus 12. So students, 36 plus 48, that is 84 minus 48 root 3 divided by minus 12. Okay, so 12 is common. 7 minus 4 root 3 divided by minus 12. 12 which cancel, -7 and plus 4 root 3 is your answer. Okay.